Aspen Aerogels is all about high-performance aerogels for amplified insulation and better thermal management capabilities that are difficult to replicate with conventional materials, giving it a leg up for use in electric vehicles, energy industrial insulation, and sustainable insulation applications. For over 20 years, it's been supplying advanced aerogel insulation to industrial and energy customers, and has recently expanded into the EV battery safety market through its proprietary thermal barrier technologies. This is why Aspen organizes its business into two main segments: the thermal barrier segment and the energy industrial segment. The thermal barrier segment focuses on materials that improve safety and thermal management in lithium-ion battery systems used in EVs and other energy storage technologies. Its flagship product line, Pyro-Thin Aerogel Thermal Barriers, consists of ultra-thin, lightweight, and flexible insulation materials designed to prevent or slow the spread of thermal runaway, a dangerous chain reaction in which overheating in one battery cell spreads to others. Pyro-thin barriers can be integrated into multiple parts of a battery system, including the cell, module, and pack levels, and are designed to function across different battery architectures. The technology combines thermal insulation, mechanical resilience, and fire protection in a form factor that allows EV manufacturers to improve safety without sacrificing battery energy density. As EV batteries become more powerful and densely packed, preventing thermal runaway is increasingly critical, making thermal barriers an important component of battery design. Aspen has secured several multi-year supply agreements with major automotive and battery manufacturers for the use of pyro-thin components in EV battery systems. Customers include large global automakers and battery manufacturers like General Motors, Toyota, Scania, Automotive Cells Company, Audi, and Volvo Trucks. Automotive Cells Company is itself a battery joint venture between Stellantis, Saft Total Energies, and Mercedes-Benz. Aspen is currently supplying production components to General Motors, Toyota, and Automotive Cells Company, while also providing prototype thermal barrier parts to other EV manufacturers, as well as companies developing grid storage and home battery systems. Revenue from pyro-thin products has increased rapidly as EV adoption has grown, although demand has been volatile due to fluctuations in EV production. Pyro-thin sales reached approximately $168.9 million in 2025, compared with $306.8 million in 2024 and $110.1 million in 2023, with General Motors accounting for a significant portion of these sales. Aspen's products are based on patented aerogel technology that transforms fragile silica aerogels into flexible and durable insulation materials suitable for industrial applications. Silica aerogels are extremely porous materials composed of roughly 97% air trapped within a network of silica particles. This structure provides exceptionally low thermal conductivity and strong insulating properties, while maintaining very low density. Although traditional aerogels are brittle and difficult to handle, Aspen has developed proprietary manufacturing techniques that allow aerogels to be produced in flexible blanket form. These materials maintain the thermal advantages of aerogels while becoming robust enough for large-scale industrial use, giving Aspen a technological advantage over many traditional insulation products. The energy industrial segment focuses on aerogel insulation materials used in large-scale industrial facilities. Aspen's main products in this segment are Pyrogel and Cryogel aerogel insulation blankets, which were introduced in 2008. These products are designed to insulate equipment, piping, and infrastructure in facilities such as oil refineries, petrochemical plants, liquefied natural gas facilities, offshore oil platforms, and power generation plants. Compared with conventional insulation materials, Aspen's aerogel blankets offer significantly better thermal performance, allowing systems to maintain temperature more efficiently while using thinner layers of insulation. The materials also provide additional benefits like reduced system weight, easier installation, improved safety, and reduced risk of corrosion under insulation. These characteristics can reduce both installation costs and long-term maintenance expenses for industrial operators. Aspen's insulation products are widely used by major global energy companies to improve efficiency and protect equipment. Facilities operated by companies like ExxonMobil, Reliance Industries, PTT LNG, and Shell have incorporated Aspen's aerogel insulation systems. Over time, Aspen has built a large installed base for its products. Since introducing Pyrogel and Cryogel in 2008, Aspen has sold more than $1.6 billion worth of insulation materials worldwide, representing more than 525 million square feet of installed insulation. Revenue from this segment has grown steadily from approximately $17.2 million in 2008 to around $102.2 million in 2025, working out to a compound annual growth rate of roughly 11%. Demand in the energy industrial market is driven by both maintenance activity and new infrastructure construction. Industrial facilities such as refineries and LNG plants require ongoing maintenance, upgrades, and safety improvements, which creates recurring demand for insulation products. This maintenance demand tends to remain relatively stable because it's necessary for safe operations even when economic conditions weaken. Safety first. Additional demand arises from large capital projects such as refinery expansions, LNG terminals, offshore drilling developments, and new power generation facilities. These projects are influenced by global energy demand and broader macroeconomic conditions. Aspen believes that long-term increases in global energy consumption will lead to continued investment in energy infrastructure, creating ongoing opportunities for its insulation technologies. Aspen sells its products through a global sales and distribution network that spans North America, Europe, and Asia. Its sales teams work directly with end users, engineering firms, and project designers to ensure that aerogel products are qualified and specified for use in industrial facilities or battery systems. In addition to direct sales efforts, Aspen works with specialized insulation distributors and contractors in more than 50 countries. These partners help deliver products quickly to project sites and provide installation support. Because insulation materials often require extensive testing and validation before being adopted by industrial customers or automotive manufacturers, the sales process can be lengthy, but once products are qualified, they often remain specified for many years. Aspen manufactures its aerogel products primarily at a production facility located in East Providence, Rhode Island. The plant has been in operation since 2008 and has expanded capacity over time as demand for aerogel materials has increased. It also supplements its manufacturing capabilities through a flexible supply chain strategy that includes an external manufacturing partner in China, which supports the energy industrial segment. For EV thermal barrier products, Aspen operates a fabrication facility in Mexico that assembles pyro-thin components for automotive customers. This combination of internal production and external manufacturing partners allows Aspen to scale output while managing costs and capacity constraints. Financially, Aspen has experienced significant fluctuations in revenue in recent years due largely to changes in EV production levels among its major customers. It reported total revenue of $271.1 million in 2025, compared with $452.7 million in 2024 and $238.7 million in 2023. The U.S. accounted for $172.1 million of revenue in 2025, while international markets generated $99 million, reflecting Aspen's growing global customer base. Competition is also fierce in the EV battery thermal barrier segment, which rapidly evolves as emerging companies develop materials designed to prevent battery thermal runaway. In the industrial insulation market, Aspen competes with both traditional insulation manufacturers and other aerogel producers. For example, companies like Armacell, JIOS Aerogel, Alcogen, Ibiden, and several Chinese aerogel manufacturers. Many of these competitors have larger financial resources, longer operating histories, or broader global distribution networks. Traditional insulation producers also compete on price and availability, often offering lower-cost products that may be sufficient for less demanding applications. Nonetheless, Aspen stands its ground by stressing its aerogel technology's advantages, where performance matters more. It claims its aerogel insulation materials can deliver 2 to 5 times the thermal performance of conventional insulation, while using thinner layers and lighter materials. This performance advantage can reduce installation costs, improve energy efficiency, and enable more compact equipment designs. In EV applications, it believes its pyrothin barriers provide a leading solution for mitigating thermal runaway risks in high-capacity lithium-ion batteries. Aspen's competitive position is supported by more than 2 decades of research and development in aerogel chemistry, product design, and manufacturing processes. Its intellectual property portfolio includes hundreds of patents related to aerogel materials and manufacturing technologies. It also benefits from strong relationships with industrial customers and major automotive manufacturers, which have helped validate its technology and accelerate adoption in key markets. Then, to address, or rather counter, the cost competitiveness of its larger competition that has availability and pricing on their side for less demanding applications, Aspen is pursuing growth opportunities in adjacent markets, such as battery energy storage systems used for grid infrastructure and data centers. Similar to EVs, this is an area where high performance matters, leaning more into Aspen's competitive edge, leading to growth expectations in its energy industrial segment in the coming years as demand increases for subsea energy projects, LNG infrastructure, and industrial maintenance activity. On top of that, it believes the segment could eventually scale to around $200 million in annual revenue without requiring significant additional capital investment. Aspen has also taken steps to reduce costs and improve financial flexibility following a slowdown in North American EV production. It lowered its fixed cash costs by roughly $75 million per year and reduced the revenue level required to achieve adjusted EBITDA break-even to approximately $175 million. As a bonus, 2025 ended with Aspen holding approximately $158.6 million in cash, providing ample liquidity to support ongoing operations and growth initiatives. Then, as the need for more efficient energy infrastructure increases in the long term, your need to efficiently watch the markets can be helped by TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.